it was a really great opportunity for us to actually quantify the air quality, and it was quite cost effective too. I wouldn't be surprised if we use another shoestring kit. We're Kommunity Brew. We started out making kombucha and sparkling probiotic waters and immunity shots. About 3 years ago we started doing cold brew teas and coffees under the Cold Matter brand, and now we also do sparkling waters under Sips. Working in a brewery, we're always concerned with our air quality because carbon dioxide is used extensively in the process for carbonation and for transportation of goods. We'd worked in the environment for a long time, but it's something we had always wondered. We used the Shoestring air quality kit, which measured carbon dioxide and volatile organic compounds. The process was very simple. All we had to do was plug them in and look at the data, so yeah, it's been very easy. We were pleasantly surprised that the air quality in our workshop was quite good. Initially we thought that we would have to purchase a fairly expensive extraction fan or some other kind of means of ventilation, but this actually proved that that wasn't necessary, so it saved us a lot of money in that regard. Based on the success of our first project, we were quite excited, so we'd like to expand that out now. So we've added a temperature monitoring kit to our arsenal. We want to measure if there's any cold or hot spots, and we also want to see how the gas is distributed in that room so we can get a more even and reliable fermentation. We've planned it out and we're really excited to get going.